Hello all, welcome back to another video on Python coding. So in this video we will be seeing about some quiz that is based on Python list, and these are some of the tricky questions that might be asked in interview. Okay, and here I will show you the output for all the questions, and along with it I will also explain you how the output came out to be like that. Okay, so let us start with the very first question, that is question 1. And here we are given a list with values like 4, 8, 12, 16, and a list values 1 is to 4 they are changed to 24, 20, 24, 28. So 1 is to 4 means except the index 0 all these three values are changed to this values. Okay, so the answer that comes out to be 4, 20, 24, 28 in this case. Okay, so I will just run this and you can see, yeah, the answer is 4, 20, 24, 28. Now let us come to the second question. Okay, so here we are given a sample list, and here just what we are doing is we are performing negative indexing, and negative indexing starts from -1 from the end of the list and it goes on like -2, -3, -4. So on the -2 index you can see 40 is given. Okay, so the output here will be 40. Okay, so I will just run this. Yeah, so the output here is 40. Okay, so now let us go to the question number 3. Here again we are performing negative indexing from -4 is to -1. So -4 here is 20 and -1 is 50, but we know that while we are performing slicing operations the last index is not covered, so the output should be 20, 30, 40. Okay, so yeah, so you can see the output. Now here is the question number 4. We are given L is none in none and we are multiplying it 10 times, and here what we are asked, we are simply asked the length of L. Okay, so you can see we are multiplying this 10 times, so the length will be 10 basically. Okay, so we are writing this thing 10 times. Okay, and what length len function does it counts the length. Okay, so the answer should be 10. Yeah, and here you can see 10 times the value are given, so similarly simply the length of this is printed here. Okay, so now let us come to question number 5. And question number 5 is, in this we are given two values inside a list and we are using join function. Okay, so join function, what it does, it just what it will do, it will just join both the values using the dash. Okay, so I will run this and you can see hello dash python is the output. Okay, now let us go to another question, that is question number 6. Okay, so question number 6 is about the del operation, that is the delete operation on the list. Okay, so we are given a sample list that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are given delete sample is 0 is to 6. Okay, so what it will do is it will delete all the elements inside the sample list, and so the output I think will be a list with no values. Yeah, so you can see the output, and yeah, and let us go to the next question, that is a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so question number 7, a list is given and another variable for 2 star x for x in a list, print pov2. Okay, so for x in a list, so for every element in a list we are multiplying it with 2. Okay, so the output will start from like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, yeah, so it will go on like this. So we are using a for operation, for loop, and we are multiplying every element with 2. Okay, so here is the another sample list 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we are using the append operation on this list. So as you know, append operation just adds the value at the end of the list. So 60 will get added at the end of the list, and here you will see the output will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now let us go to question number 9 very quickly. And here we are given a list. In this a variable is there and another list is there, 4, 8, 12, and here we are asked about a list 0 and 1. Okay, so yeah, so let us check the output. Here see, if we write a list 0 and 1, what it will do is it will simply print the values from 0 to 1, and here you can see the output is given, that is y. Okay, so this is about the question number 9th. Okay, now we will go to question number 10th. Okay, so here we are given a list once again, and here we are asked to print a list 1 and 3. Okay, so now in this case you can see 1 and 3 is asked, so the output comes out to be 16. So yeah, again we are printing the numbers using the indexes. Okay, so now let us go to the question number 11th, that is regarding the max operation on list. Okay, so the max operation on list, what it basically does is it will just returns the element with maximum value. Okay, so here if you see, when we run this XYZ, Zara and PyNative, the output will be Zara. Okay, so here you can see the output will be Zara, as it is showing the maximum value for this. Okay, so yeah, so this was about the question number 11th. Okay, and yeah, now here is question number 12. We are using the pop operation. So pop operation, it is basically used to pop the items from the list. That is, if you want to remove the items from the list, you can use the pop operation. Okay, and here inside pop we have defined no values, so I think it will return by default the last value, and last value will be popped. Okay, as nothing is defined in this pop. Okay, so as you can see, last value is popped and the output is 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so if there is no value, the last value is popped. Okay, so now here is question number 13. X plus y for x in hello good, for y in dear by. So what operation we are performing? We are performing x plus y. Okay, so the output will go like this. It will be like hello dear, hello bye, good dear and goodbye. Okay, so because we are adding this element for every this element, and then we are adding this good for every other element nearby. Okay, so you can see hello dear, hello bye, good dear and goodbye. Okay, so now let us go to the another question, that is question number 14. So question number 14, I am leaving this for you guys. You have to solve this and answer this to me in the comment section, because I already took a question like this here. You can see regarding the operation, that is slicing. Okay, so answer this question in the comment section. I will go to question number 15. Okay, so question number 15 is we are printing colon star. So don't get confused. If we have defined no value before the colon, so it will take the first value by default. Okay, similarly if we are printing here no value after colon, so it will take us to the end of the list from the third index. So here the third index is 40, and from 40 it will take us to the last. Okay, and again we have this question, that is 2 colons are included and -2. Okay, so I will Okay, so I will just tell you how it works. Okay, so the two colons, it will simply return the list that is that is reversed. Okay, so one colon if we write, so it will return a straight list, but if we are using two colon, it returns a list which is reversed. Okay, and from reversed list we are using -2 only. Okay, so -2, what it will give us, it will give us the value like 25 comma 10. I think it should give, yeah. So here the answer is 25 comma 10. Okay, so also you can try more questions like this on our page Python Coding on Twitter, and you can also follow us on Instagram. We have the page Python Coding. We update every trick and quiz there. So if you want to practice more quiz like this, you can follow us there. Thank you. If you enjoyed the session, please like, comment, share to my channel, and keep watching.